The last Lamborghini Reventon to roll off the assembly line is currently for sale from Marshall Goldman Motor Sales for nearly $1.7 million. With just 150 miles on the clock, it's also basically brand new, despite being 10 years old. The Reventon was the organization's first genuine Corona car or constrained generation vehicle that would give the business a look at the brand's next creation car. For this situation, the Reventon reviewed the Aventador's plan, Lamborghini's present leader that has been around since 2011. Lamborghini created only 20 client Reventons, and one for its historical center, 10 of which were bound for the United States. On the armrest between the seats, you'll discover a plaque with 2020 stamped on it, demonstrating that this car is number 20 of the Reventon's 20-car creation run. Much the same as its 19 kin, this case includes an uncommon Grigio Reventon, murky dim, outside with Nero, dark, and Verde Oliva, olive green, inside. The whole body of the car is made of carbon fiber, and is said to be propelled by Warrior jets. As for Lamborghini, it's additionally quicker than one, as well. Affirmed, with the goal that video was a joke. However, the Reventon is pressing some genuine warmth in the engine. Power originates from a 6.5-liter V12 making 650 pole, mated to an E-gear automatic transmission. The most elevated speed at any point recorded in the car was 221 miles per hour, a noteworthy accomplishment notwithstanding for the present supercars. It may not be the prettiest Lambo at any point made, but rather the Reventon is a vital blip in Lamborghini's rich history. Without it, the fruitful Aventador won't not have looked the way it does, and we may never have had absurd raging bulls like the Sesto Elemento and Centenario.